Well, hey, everybody. I'm here to share with you today what strategies you can use when the stock prices are falling. Yes, there's three strategies you can use. The first strategy that you can use if the stock prices are falling is covered calls. Now, some people kind of have a different view about covered calls when stocks are falling. But if you own 100 shares of the stock, and prices are starting to come down, you can sell covered calls against it so you can make money on your shares while you're holding them. It's basically a way to get a benefit from the stocks that you're holding, right? That's why covered calls can be a really good strategy that you can use when the stock prices are falling. The second strategy you can use is very similar to covered calls, but it's called credit spreads. Call credit spreads is where you use options, you sell a options contract and you buy an options contract, creating a spread, right? It requires only the level of collateral between the two spreads, between the two options contracts. Basically, when you're selling a call credit spread, you need the price to stay below your sell strike. Okay, you remember you got a sell option and a buy option. You need the price to stay below your sell strike. Doesn't matter how much price moves around, whether it goes far away from it, whether it just hovers in the middle, or whether it goes towards it some, as long as it doesn't go past it, your trade is good. The third way to generate profits from falling stock prices is to short sell the shares. I have a couple of videos on my channel that talk about shorting shares with some examples. You may want to go check that out. I'll also put the link in the description. But basically, you're going to borrow shares from the broker. You will let them go down. And as they go down, you're making money. And at some point, as they fall down, you're deciding you're going to give them back to the broker for less money. And the difference between those two prices is the money that you get to keep in the form of profits. So I've shared with you three ways you can make money when stock prices are falling. You can do covered calls, you can do call credit spreads, or you can short sell the shares. All right. Be sure to like and subscribe. I have videos about all the things I just mentioned. I'll put all those links down in the description, and you can see exactly how to utilize these strategies to maximize your profits when the stock prices are falling. Hey, in my community, we do two things. We stay green and we get this money. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.